Solar rooftop, an excellent solution to help business take control of their electricity source and own a green energy certificate. Energy is a crucial foundation for the sustainable growth and development of every economic and social sector. For a healthy living environment, a green and sustainable planet, along with hydropower and wind power, solar energy is one of renewable energy source being encouraged to develop not only in Vietnam but also worldwide. Have you ever thought about what you can do with zero investment to bring sustainable economic value to your business in the present and future? What is the superior energy solution specifically designed for your business? In the trend of green and circular economic growth, businesses are seeking ways to transition to using renewable energy sources. TechSouth offers the most optimized green energy solution for business with the ESCO model, installing rooftop solar power system with investment capital. TechSouth provides comprehensive and efficient solution from consulting, design, construction, installation, operation. The benefit that business receive when using ESCO solution, installing rooftop solar power with zero investment capital from TechSouth. No need for initial capital investment. Use green energy with the coldest electricity price 15 to 35% depending on geographical location. Minimize monthly electricity expense. Obtain renewable energy certificates (REC). Reduce carbon tax to enhance competitiveness for imported goods. Supplement new source of energy for business to mitigate power shortage. Attract customers to the business. Reduce emission aiming for net zero CO2. TechSouth spreading the mission of green energy solution, partnering with business to create sustainable value. Currently, TechSouth customers are business operations in industrial and commercial sectors. Your business not only needs to meet three basic criteria: monthly electricity cost of at least 500 million Vietnamese đồng, minimum roof area of 5,000 square meters, complete legal document for the workshop according to the regulation, including construction permit, approval, fire prevention, fighting acceptance. Your business can connect with TechSouth today to receive support in certifying and consulting for the installation of rooftop solar power system, enabling proactive energy sourcing and delivering sustainable economic value. We will collaborate with financial partner and green energy investment fund to provide a comprehensive package of solar power system, including design, consultation, product supply, and holistic solution, ensuring the safe and most efficient operation of the anti-solar power system. Please contact us by below information.